Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? We were talking about today is what date. First of all, I want to ask you, today is what date? Today is 9th July 2020 and we are meeting after how many days? We are meeting after 4 days. Correct? And then I want to ask you that on Saturday, what did we study? We were studying, if I will ask you students, what did we study? You should immediately tell me, ma'am, we were studying the singular and plural forms. It is right or not? We were studying same lesson or not? Yes, we were studying which lesson? The singular and plural form. Now, what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns? Here it is given. The noun is said to be a singular when we speak or write of any one thing. What we do? When we speak or write of any one thing, that is called what? That is called singular noun. And the noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of two or more things. Let it be, if the thing is one, then it is singular. If the things are more than one, they are plural. What they are? They are plural. And then I told you one means what? One means singular. Many means what? Many means plural. Next things which there were some rules we studied on in Saturday's period, on Friday's period also we studied, and in Saturday's period also we studied that plurals are formed by adding normal s. Plurals are formed by adding es. Now es to which words we are using es? We are using es to the words which are ending with o letter, the words which are ending with x letter, the words which are ending with ch letter, the words which are ending with sh letter, and the words which are ending with normal s letter. Next rule which we studied is of y. If the word is ending with y, instead of y we have to write over there I and we have to add es. Understood? That was third. Fourth one was what? If the word is ending with y letter and before y letter if the letter is vowel, then we have to add only normal s. Correct? And today we are going to study if the words are ending with f letter. If the words are ending with which letter? If the words are ending with f letter and fe letter, then what we have to do? Instead of these two letters, we have to write down v. Okay. If the words are ending with which letters? F letter and fe letter, then instead of these two letters, what we have to do? We have to write v, and what we have to add in front of v? We have to add es. Now here is a picture. I will show you picture of this rule. See here. By changing f and fe to v and adding es to the nouns ending in f and fe. Some exceptions are chef, chefs, okay, gulf, gulfs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Now here words are ending with what? The words are ending with f letter. So what we have done here, f we have removed and instead of f we have written v and we have added es. That is what? One leaf, many leaves. Second example which is given here is of knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Now F-E we have to remove and instead of F-E what we have to write? We have to write here V and we have to add es in front. Understood? And some examples are given on the board. Those examples are of which rule? Those examples are of same rule. Which rule? Same rule. The words are ending with f and fe. What are? The words are ending with f and fe. See here. First word is calf. It is ending with which letter? It is ending with f letter. So what we have to do here is, this f is there. What we have to do? Instead of f we have to write down v. I am writing here C-A-L. Now instead of f I am writing v and I told you what you have to do? We have to add es. So I am adding es. So what plural it has formed? Calf, calves. Okay, one calf, many calves. Second example is of loaf. L-O-A-F, loaf. Now here what we have to do? L-O-A. What we have to do of f? Just now I have told you, instead of F, we have to write down V. So I am writing V and adding ES. Got it? Third one is thief. THIEF, thief. The last letter is F. So what I am going to do here is THIE. Instead of F, I am going to write down V and I am going to add ES. So what plural form it has happened? One thief, many thieves. Next example is of wife. WI. Now which letters are there in ending? FE letters are there. So here it is told, if the words are ending with F and FE, what we have to do? We have to write V. So I am writing V instead of FE and I am adding what? ES. So what it has happened? What is formed? Plural form is formed of word wife. Wife is what? Singular form. And wives are what? Plural form. So one wife, many wives. Next example is of half. HALF. Instead of F, I am writing V and adding ES. So it has it is formed what? It has happened what? One half, many halves. Next word is scarf. SCARF. Instead of F, I am writing V and ES I have added. So what the words are formed here is scarves. So these all letters which are in blue ink, they are plural forms, and which are in black ink, they are singular forms. They are one, they are many, one, many, one, many. Okay. Do you know meaning of thief? Thief means what? A person who robs or who does stealing of things, who goes and does robbery in the house or in the shop, anywhere. Okay, those people are called thieves. So here what you have to do is today is you have to write down question number 3 in your notebook. Now which notebook? You have grammar notebook. Correct? You have to write down. Write the plurals of the following. First one, calf, calves, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves, wife, wives, half, halves, scarf, scarves. And next question is fill in the blanks with the plural form of the nouns given in the bracket. 10 examples are given, and in front of those 10 examples some answers are given in the bracket, and those answers are in singular form. They are in one. Okay, like book. And in the fill in the blanks, what we have to do? We have to change that singular form to the plural form, and what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks. Total how many blanks? Fill in the blanks are there? There are 10 blanks which you have to fill, and then after that we are going to complete our lesson, or our lesson will get finished, or our lesson will finish. So here some examples we studied. Which were those? Write the plural forms of words like girl, girls. There only what we have done, we have added only normal S. There were some examples. Did we take over these examples on Saturday? I have shown you, I think so. No. See, lady, Y, ladies, baby, babies, key, keys, toy, toys, one toy, and many toys. You like to play with toys, yes or no? So in this way, this is our lesson, the singular and plural forms. Can you see? And next page is in this way. See, lesson question number 2, which we did it on Saturday. Today we have done question number 3, and question number 4 we are going to do tomorrow. Can you see? In this way, you have to keep in mind when we are changing singular noun to plural noun, what we have to do. There are some rules which we studied. If the words are ending with Y, then we have to add only normal S. If the words are ending with words like letters like S, the words which are ending with CH, SH, then what we have to do? We have to add ES. If the words are ending with F and FE, we have to remove F and FE, and instead of F and FB, we have to add their V, and ES we have to add. Correct? If the words are ending with normal normal Y, then what we have to do, we have to remove that y, and instead of y we have to add I, and in front we have to add es to that spelling. In this way what we have done, we have learned singular forms and plural forms. Okay. Question number 4 we are going to complete in tomorrow's period, and this question number 3 you have to write down in your English grammar notebook. Correct? Saturday's homework is done or not? Question number 2, I told you to write down question number 2 in English grammar notebook. Today you have to write down question number 3 in English grammar notebook. Okay? Thank you for today. We'll meet on Friday.